Are you ready to take your Facebook ads to the next level? If so, this is the video for you. I'm going to cover exactly the steps and strategies that you can take to help elevate your Facebook ad game and really make them work for you and generate the customers and the sales that you're looking for. So if that is something that interests you, stay tuned. We're going to get into it. Hi, welcome back. My name is Kaz. I'm an elite digital marketing coach and I'm here to help you find paying clients with your paid and organic social media. Okay, so in this video, I'm going to take the assumption that you are already running Facebook ads, and we can go two ways with this, okay? We can go the product-based route where we're doing Shopify and we're linking our catalogs and we're retargeting and all that. But on this video, I'm going to talk about you being a service provider and you're generating leads for your email list that you can then not only resell to, but retarget to later down the road. So that's the example we're going to start with. But if you want a video talking all about the products, definitely let me know in the comments below. I can make a separate video about how to take your ads to the next level if you are a product-based business. So you're a service provider and you're ready to take your ads to the next level. Step one, I would really say, is to look at your funnel and optimize every single part of your funnel. So it's not just the ads, although that is a massive part, and there's always tweaks and changes that you can make to improve that. So you can improve the targeting, you can improve perhaps the structure just needs to be, what I mean by that is the campaign structure. Maybe you've done it one way, you need to try something else. Maybe you've done, you know, a conversion campaign to send people to a website to convert. Maybe you need to try a lead gen campaign where people are filling out a form on Facebook. So that's what I mean by the structure. Maybe you need to try, tweak the targeting, so who you're targeting. Maybe your audience needs a bit of refining. Maybe you need to work on the creative, okay? So that's the images and the copy that you're using in the ad. All of this can be refined and tweaked. So never think, I've launched my funnel, my work is done. No, unfortunately, your work is never done. You really do have to keep looking at what you're doing and improving, because algorithms change, trends change, people change, situations change, we go in and out of good economies. You really want to make sure that what you are putting out is the best and optimized version that you can do. And this doesn't really take a lot. This just takes maybe once a week, once, every two, once a month, however, whatever you got going on with your funnel, that you take some time and you're looking at all parts of this. So you're going to look at the ads, what's the click-through rate, how's that doing, what are the comments, what are the people coming through. You're going to go to the landing page. You're going to see, okay, what's my conversion rate like on the landing page? If you have a lead gen, are people filling out the form? What are the people that are coming in? How are they really my people that I'm trying to get after? So we're going to optimize the funnel because it's important to do so. And it's important to look at all aspects of your entire campaign and what you're running and really work to improve every area. A benchmark for click-through rates, you want anything higher than 1% on an ad. So that's unique click-through rate, anything higher than 1%, ideally more, quite honestly. And I think 1% honestly is quite low. Really, we're looking at like 2 or 3, but 1 is the absolute minimum you're looking for. On a landing page, it can really vary. I mean, you want it as high as possible again. I mean, you definitely want 5-10%. If people are coming, if you have 100 people and only 1 converted, that is a bit of a problem. I would definitely, if you really would like a video on how to optimize your landing page, let me know in the comments. I think there's a lot of elements to this and to something that really you need to make sure is worth your time. Otherwise, there's no point people going to your landing page and they don't do anything. So really look at that and make sure that your landing page is really the best it can be for what you're trying to do. So another thing you can do to take your results to the next level really involves scaling and an art to scaling. Now before, people were saying, oh, you need to scale gradually, like this and that, half the budget every day. I don't think it's like that quite so much anymore. I think you can go ahead and throw more money. I've seen large sums of money get thrown at campaigns and they hold, which never used to be the case. So it really depends on you, your budget, and what your goals are trying to be in order for you to really decide, hey, this is what I'm going to spend. If you need a video on how much you should be budgeting for your Facebook ads, go ahead and click up here. I have a really great video that's going to show you how to work that out. So think about, okay, what am I looking to gain? What am I looking to scale? If you are a service provider and you are building up an email list or an audience for an upcoming launch, then there is very succinct maths you can do around this. How much you're going to spend, what you're going to spend to launch or retarget, and then what the ROI is going to be. So really make sure that you've done the maths with that, and that you are really encouraging that the funnel is really working for the goals you have. I think that's super important, and looking at that bigger picture and scaling appropriately is what's going to help take your ads to the next level. So I really want to know, what questions do you have around taking your ads to the next level? Let me know in the comments below. I would love to help and get a discussion going. Now, if you're struggling with your marketing, I invite you to download my free marketing checklist via the link below. It is going to outline all of your marketing tactics, because let's face it, Facebook ads is just one piece of the puzzle. You really need a complete strategy in order to be successful marketing your business online. And my checklist is going to help with this. It's going to give you monthly, weekly, and daily tasks that you can do that's really going to help you stay consistent and stay on track with your social media. If that is something you would like, click the link below. You'll be able to get it. It will be yours. And I can't wait to see how you use this, because I know it's going to help. What I really created this for was just the fact that even myself, I was getting so overwhelmed with marketing my business. There was so many things to do. I thought I really need a better way to do this. So check out the marketing checklist. It's really going to help you be consistent with your marketing. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope it provided value. Let me know if it did in the comments below, and leave a like on this video. And be sure to subscribe to ensure that you never miss a video from me regarding organic social media and paid. Lots of things to share and talk about in this ever-changing climate. I want you to win. I want you to be successful. I'm here cheering you on forever, and I can't wait to see you next time.